They are among the most numerous seabirds in the Northern Hemisphere. This colony alone contains 100,000 birds, and there are many more like it all along the Arctic coastline. In just a few weeks, these cliffs will empty, but before the guillemots can leave, their chicks must fledge. Their feathers are now fully formed, but their stubby wings are still too short for them to fly properly. This will be a challenge. It's a 150-metre drop, and they need to make it all the way to the sea. Here goes. He falls short and survives the crash landing. The chicks are manna from heaven for an Arctic fox. The next chick is accompanied by a parent. Failed again. This looks better. Success. Aquatic landings are certainly gentler, and foxes can't reach you out here. The chicks will stay in their parents' care for another month. The guillemot chicks can't fly yet, so they and their families must swim to their winter feeding grounds. It's a journey that will take them 1,000 miles south to the open ocean and away from the approaching ice.